leftover cornbread, split. Gonna toast it. Some peppers and onions being sauteed in some duck fat. Ooh. Toasting some flour for gravy. I wonder what it's gonna be. Flour's toasting up. You can see the smoke coming off of it. Yeah, it's got some good color on it now. Into the hot duck fat and vegetables. Add some milk and let it heat up. Cook it till the milk gets thick and the flour soaks up all the milk. Then add more milk and wait for the heat to come back up. Don't forget to add salt. The flour doesn't have salt, the milk doesn't have salt. So as you cook it, both will need salt. This also has some garlic powder, some of our house seasoning. It's got some dried rosemary, salt, onion powder, some other stuff. And for gravy going over biscuits, or in this case cornbread, I usually make the gravy a little thinner so that you have plenty of liquid to coat the bread product. I usually do 3 rounds of milk in my gravy to get to the consistency that I'm happy with. This is stage 2. I like it nice and thick. And again, this is going over biscuits or cornbread, so I'll add a 3rd batch of milk to thin it out so that it will coat the bread and make for some tasty goodness. These are happy gravy bubbles. Some people get freaked out by a skin that may form on top of it. Don't freak out, stir it in. That's just the milk fats thickening up. You want to cook out some of the liquid because this is a little thin, but like I said, we do want it thin enough to coat the bread. I don't like to add flour at the end because we're already putting it on bread which has flour, so I don't need liquid flour on top of solid flour. And spoon it over. Like I said, the gravy is thinner because it's going over bread, so we get plenty of coverage. This looks like it's got a lot of fat because it's got duck fat. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.